Hi dear beauties, how are you? Welcome back to the journey of fashion. So dear ladies, in my today's video, you are going to exploring more than 100 plus styles and designs of summer season check belted style dresses, belted style floor midi dress designs. So you are going to exploring most demanding and trending collections summer seasons floor belted styles midi dresses. So you will be find out Iran style dresses, fit and flare styles dress, midi dress, Iran style dress, umbrella dress with inverted styles. So chiffon fabric, silk fabric, and cotton fabric floral midi dresses are the best choice for your summer seasons. Stylish, easy, comfortable, sweet, and romantic floral midi dresses. Today I have collected for you in this video, viewers. So must watch video till the end. You are going to find out all our print style dresses, patchwork style dresses. You will get the ideas how to style your floral midi dresses, how to carry your dress for your casual to formal wears, even for your party wears. Those girls, those women who love to wear floral dresses, who love to carry in summer season midi dresses. So these are the best and latest ideas of summer seasons belted styles, midi dresses. Today I have collected for you in this video so that you will get the new ideas and new designs of summer seasons midi dresses. You will be find out flare styles, frill styles, layer styles, A-line styles, belted styles within amazing and stylish neck and sleeve styles. Half sleeve, full sleeve, short sleeve, sleeveless. Half sleeve designs are the best for your summer season. Even if you love to wear full length, you will also carry. Off the shoulder designs will look so amazing and enhance your styles with these amazing and stylish floral dresses in your summer season. Chiffon fabric are easy to wear in summer season, so that's why these are dresses in mostly chiffon fabric and cotton fabric. You will also carry silk or georgette fabric in your summer seasons. College going and university going girls easily carry these styles of dresses for their daily wears. So must try these styles and these dresses for your summer seasons, for your daily work wears. Amazing colors, amazing styles, easy stitching techniques, amazing colors combinations, and different stitching techniques ideas. Dear beautiful ladies, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos, because after getting the notifications of my videos you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to tell me in the comment section about my videos, about my content, about my channel. Tell me in the comment section which type of more videos you want to watch, or which type of more content, which type of more videos will be useful and helpful for you. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so please must share your opinions in the comment section. I have already uploaded at least 1000 videos on my channel related to women fashion. So for more amazing styles, amazing designs of dresses, visit on my channel and watch other videos. You are going to exploring midi dresses, maxi dresses, mother of the bride dresses, plus size women's fashion trending dresses, crochet made dresses, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs. So a lot of new ideas and new designs you are going to exploring on my channel on daily basis. So visit on my channel and watch other videos. I hope so those videos will also be useful and helpful for you. As you can see, different and unique styles are summer season check midi dresses, vintage style dresses, A-line style dresses, umbrella style fit style dresses, mid-length and midi dresses. Within all our print styles, patchwork styles, ruffle work styles, and frill styles. I love all these designs. I like all these styles of dresses, and I hope so that you will also love these styles and these designs of dresses. So don't forget to share video and don't forget to watch till the end video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Must watch video till the end and don't forget to like, share video. Don't forget to subscribe channel. Also giving your feedback in the comment section about my videos, about my content and about my channel. So goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you dear ladies. So till then, take good care of yourselves, enjoy the video till the end and goodbye.